We're making a huge difference. There's a big unmet need in the world of medicine right now, and we are filling that need. My name's Jack Horbatov. I'm the owner and pharmacist in charge of the Art of Medicine Compounding Pharmacy. The one difference that we have is that we 100% focus on compounding. And what compounding is customizing medication to fit very specific needs, wants, allergies, and sensitivities of patients. Whether it's needing 2 active ingredients in one cream, whether it's needing a specific flavor for a dog or cat, anywhere from dermatology to hormone replacement, neurology, veterinary, you name it, we've probably helped that profession out. So growing up, my dad always owned his own business. I wanted to follow that dream and that passion, and I had that passion going throughout pharmacy school. I graduated in 2011, and I opened the Art of Medicine in 2012. We're now licensed in multiple states across the nation. Ultimately, there's a lot of creativity in what we do, although we really follow strict quality control and quality assurance standards. Basically, state and federal regulations want us to compound to this level of quality and control. We compound to this level. When it boils down to it, compounding can seem very complicated and puzzling on the outside. We really believe in making it a frictionless experience for both the doctor and the patient. The future of the Art of Medicine is continuing down the great path that we have now. Quality product, consistent product, accreditations, and making sure that we can help as many patients as possible with what we do here.